Hello everyone. So we just bought some containers or glass containers for the distillery to be able to both macerate stuff in it, but also when we obviously do different runs, we want to be able to save them and write on them when we've done them, what experiment it was, you know, the outcome, the recipe, all of it on it. So we bought loads of these ones. But how cool are they looking, right? Look at that. So what I'm just doing now is to clean them out, because they've obviously probably been in a warehouse somewhere. Clean them out, dry them, and then I'm gonna put them in the distillery.
As ethanol's arrived, let's go check it out. So we just got the alcohol arrive. It's on the pallet here. I'm gonna try and get it off the pallet and tucked in the corner here. Emily is bringing her Viking strength and she's gonna give me a little, look at that, gonna give me a lift with it. It's only 200 kilo. Tish. I just realised you need one of these special like hex spanners to open the drum, but we're gonna find a way around it. Innovation. But yeah. Not got the tools we need to open it. So I managed to get it open with my pliers. And sweet neutral grain spirit.
Exciting, eh?
Yeah, I'm just gonna give it a little test, little taste test. You gotta know your produce. It's nice, it's cloudy, it's creamy, it's everything you want from winter wheat. Nice mouthfeel. It's got a little bit of burn there, but that's what we remove when we distill.
It's also 96%, so yeah.
There we go. Very nice.
You okay up there?
Yeah, I'm just working it all out to what goes in what way. Getting ready to set up for some vodka runs. So we're just on the development run, the first development run of our top secret vodka. But time now where our rectifying column is just starting to let vapour pass through each column. My battery's about to die, but I just want to show you super quick. Because we're at the right temperature. Battery's going to die, so I'm probably going to miss this run. Hello everyone. Obviously we're still in the development stage and sort of building up fresh ingredients and dry storing them. So we've got some unwaxed lemons from Spain. We've got some oranges from Spain as well, and we've got some Israeli grapefruits, and we've got some clementines as well. What we're going to do is obviously take the peels off them carefully without losing any oils, and we're going to dehydrate them nice low and slow, because obviously if you do it too fast you're going to lose the oils and flavours and aromas. We'll keep it nice and slow till they're crispy enough to dry store. So we're just going to start peeling. Cool, so I've just got peeled. We've got oranges, lemons, Emily's on the clems, the easy peelers. Got some grapefruit peels, they're going to go in the dehydrator. They'll take about 1.5 hours to 2 hours in this dehydrator. The misconception with peels with the white pith in the cocktail world, you want no white pith on it because it's classed as bitterness. During experiments that we did at the Sipsmith times, is the white pith, in fact, when vapour infused or distilled, adds a creamy mouthfeel, a bit of body to the spirit. Where we was always led to believe that the white brings bitterness, but in distillation it seems to bring a more creamy, cakey mouthfeel. So very different to tasting it raw and tasting it distilled. This is a good example to show that botanicals are sometimes act and behave differently from how they taste fresh to how they taste distilled. Food for thought.